Dad, I want to get there. Tired now?
Oh, it's just answering. Don't waste your phone.
I want to break my camera.
I just have to click on that?
Huh?
I just click.
No, this is a moving camera.
Oh.
I bought this from Florida. Dad, you kind of in my way.
What time is it now?
3.
3 a.m.?
Oh, my battery's going dead.
Is it 3 a.m. exactly?
Well, her clock says about 2:59. Merry Christmas.
Mommy.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. I don't know. Are there any presents?
Yeah! Yeah, man!
I don't think there's any presents, guys. You better come down and find them.
Nobody came. You're gonna get food at me.
Where would they be?
Over there. I told you, people. I told you all, people.
How about...
And I knew my friend.
Anthony, you know what? You're getting a little jappy.
Thanks. Come on, we'll film this.
Hey, Mike, where'd you go?
Who's the garbage person? Guys, the toys that we're sacking.
Oh, wait, You do that last, baby. You do that last, Bubby, okay?
First present.
You guys wish Grandma Merry Christmas?
Oh, Merry
Christmas to you.
Say Merry Christmas too. I mean too. Merry Christmas, Grandpa. Merry Christmas, Grandma.
Merry Christmas, sweetheart.
Anthony looks and he goes, all right, who's got the garbage? He's worried about who's got garbage duty. How about you, Aunt? You want garbage duty?
Who's going to be Santa Claus this year?
I love it. Who's the first one to open? I'll be Santa Claus.
Nice
I'll
choice
be
of words, Mom.
I want to be Santa. I want to be
Say hi,
Santa.
Dan.
All right, I'm going to sit down
Say
and
hi.
start doing the presents. Me too. No, I'm the Santa.
No.
You want to give it out?
I hear. To Michael, Joe, and where's...
Oh, these
Michael.
aren't the ones. I know.
Me?
Just in
Oh, they're me? Is this
I
for
saw
me,
them
Mom?
yesterday.
Yes, that's
oh,
what
yeah. In the mall.
Thanks, Joe. You're welcome.
You don't like them, Josh.
What?
No, they're too. They're not the ones I wanted. They're too. Do we have a receipt?
Only over.
I'm sorry.
Well,
To Joseph, love Anthony.
wrapping paper.
I'll see.
Like,
All right.
you put it like
I just
on
don't
your door
like it.
on
It's
the
too
wall.
plain over
And you
here.
put like Michael's
the
room
heel.
in it and have like wrap it for you. And you can put
We'll see.
Michael's room.
Changing.
Yeah. I wish I had off tomorrow.
That's fair.
Are you down?
No, I have to be somewhere tomorrow morning.
Oh.
Isn't it cool, Joe? Cool.
I'm working a double.
Good check.
Like it?
I like this.
To Mom, love Justine.
Hey, Joe. Joe. Do you know what I can do?
Oh, you are Justine's mother, aren't you?
Like days before.
I know.
The day to the
Yep.
pool with...
Easy. Oh, Anthony's opening up his desk. I don't know that.
Joe, sit down, Joe.
Oh, the guy.
What is it, Mommy?
Hold on. Oh.
Mother.
How you doing, Ma?
Okay, yeah, honey, can you do me a favor and give me the wrapping paper? Finish unwrapping it.
Okay. Oh.
It says you are my sunshine.
And what is it?
It's a plaque to put up on your wall. Remember when you were first born, the first thing I said to you is I sang you the song, You Are My Sunshine?
Yes, he remembers very clearly.
Why can't we
What
make
is
it
this
hard?
word? She used to sing to you.
Thank you.
are my
You
sunshine.
like it?
Thank you.
Oh, a sentimental moment.
She's like, I want the toys.
Oh, wait. Mine?
Don't want the box.
Orange.
Maureen's pile. Okay, watch out. To Joseph from Santa. Okay, here you go.
Now you got the same thing as me? Yep. On the highway. Look, I have that at Dad's now. I wanted that, you know. Hey, Joe, I wanted that.
Oh, wow.
Keep it going for a second.
That is really nice.
I have it at Dad's, Grandma.
Good.
Show the camera, Joe.
His eye is out. His eye pops out
Oh, wow.
back and forth, and you have to try and escape it.
Oh my god. Oh, that's
Okay,
nice.
I have a present here that says to Mommy from Anthony. Merry Christmas, and it's wonderful.
Open it, Mom.
I've been waiting
Anthony?
for weeks to see what this present is. It's got to be like a headband or something.
I know what it is.
Joe, watch out, Joe.
Oh, they're beautiful. The ones
Let's
I
see.
wanted. What'd you do? Go out to the store and buy it?
No, I got it at school, and I didn't know you wanted it.
And it's what I wanted. That's incredible. Thank you. And you know what? They're blue. They're going to go with my eyes. See? Aren't they beautiful?
Earrings.
Thank you.
Someone's here.
See 'em?
I'll go check.
No. Well,
What do you need? I can tell the car.
Okay, it's Jamie.
Where's your phone?
That's right, Justine. I can one right up here.
Okay, to Michael from Santa. You guys gotta get out of my way.
He put an M on mine.
Let's get that tool out of the way, Ma.
I'll put it underneath my head.
Get this out of here. Get this out. You know it's stinks.
I will give you yours when it's time for your presents, Anthony.
Close.
They're open till
Well,
tonight.
let's see what it is, me.
Ma, bagel sauce. Jewish. Look at bagel sauce.
Oh, this is nice.
Oh, that's cute.
That is really
It's a
nice.
football sweatsuit, Mike.
Mike, what's new?
Michael.
I
What
know.
else is
You
there?
like it?
Put it in.
To Grandma Pepito,
I
this
said
is
put
from
it in.
Anthony.
Oh.
You don't like it?
Yeah.
For you, look.
Put it in.
And it's all over the room.
That is really a nice
It's a
set.
photo cube.
Oh, you put all pictures in.
All
That's
different
nice.
pictures
Yeah.
in.
Put that on your heart shelf.
Give it to me.
Yeah. Then we can put it on your new heart shelf.
This is really cute.
I like it.
It's the colors of the Jets. Although they didn't do
Can
too
you
good.
put it in my
To
pile?
Stevens from
Bear City!
What's the matter?
I haven't been able to find one gift from Michael.
Bear City!
The last two I took out of clothes.
What is it, Joe?
Bear City!
Oh,
Stay
Mike.
sitting.
Michael, you didn't even look at it.
Yes, I did.
Let's see it.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, look, Mike. It's football. Mickey Mouse.
We gotta clean this room up.
Okay, Daniel.
Thank you.
Hey,
Steven. What?
while you're sleeping, we'll make sure he plays this.
Show the camera, Anthony.
Look, let Michael show the camera. This.
Oh, okay.
Oh, very nice.
Let's see.
Play it. Show me how you play
Michael.
it. Michael.
Michael.
Very nice.
Michael.
A little wild, right?
Michael.
What is it? The jumpsuit? The jogging?
Michael,
No, I like that one.
Michael.
Strings. Every time you touch the strings, it plays.
That is tiny.
You know, if you want to see the one that I got? Yeah. Well, I'm not going to fit into yours. Oh, I'm sorry, honey.
Okay, this is the last one. Alright, let's shut this off now. These are the last presents.
A scooter.
Say.
A scooter. Don't let it fall. It's a scooter. It's a scooter.
Not just any.
Scooter?
Batman scooter. Batman scooter.
Wow, that's a nice Wow, look at that.
I know it. I have one already. Dad's. Remember, that's a dad.
This is a better one. This one you keep here.
Now you have one there and one here.
But this one doesn't have training wheels.
No, because you're a big boy. You
Yeah,
don't need training wheels.
It's like that.
No, honey, you don't need it for
All you have
that.
to do is put your foot up. I'll get
You gotta
it.
let them in the side.
Go around.
Joe. Joe.
Side door.
They have to come in the side door. Because we have
Camera.
a line.
You have to go through the side door. Mommy, I like the brakes.
This is the brakes up here. This is how you stop. You gotta squeeze this. This is a big boy one. And then to stand it up, look, watch what Mommy does. See the thing on the side there?
Yeah.
You put it back, and that's just what stands it up.
I know.
It's got Batman, Mike. Dun, dun, dun. I can see you driving this, playing your guitar.
Driving this with my guitar.
Can't even come in.
Alright, everybody clean up the garbage off. Alright, for now, honey, just for now, okay?
I want to ride it.
Alright, let's wait until we get everything cleaned out, okay?
Hi, Pumpkin.
Oh, she had herself so wound up in the
I got a Batman scooter.
Why? What?
I got two tires.
And to feed us
Where did you go? Now, do you see the box?
Jamie Ann, what you got? Let me see.
Open up yours.
Let me see it.
Out yours.
Oh, you gonna help clean?
It'll be very confusing.
You gonna help clean?
Oh, I love Christmas decorations. Thank you.
I don't know if I just got that with her with the baby.
Oh, Joe, how nice. Oh, you did a good job. I didn't like them.
Surprise, that's from Aunt Danielle.
Sorry.
Dave!
Yeah, just like you. Yeah, baby. And you double.
Yeah, let me see what you got.
He's missing her over.
Jamie Ann.
I know.
Jamie Ann.
Get it.
Let's show me what you got. Hold it up.
Well, you're not gonna be able to get through that.
No, don't.
Oh, little teddy bear. Yeah. Okay.
This for us in the house from Joe on a picture
He
frame.
wanted to get that for you too.
Which one? Which one?
Jamie Ann, open up your gift. Okay. Ooh, she keeps holding up that thing.
You like that?
You like the teddy bear?
Look.
I don't know if I see is your package. Lorraine, move your package.
Hey, listen.
Oh, squeeze the belly.
Yeah, the shirt is nice, isn't it?
What? Jamie and the... Who put something? Oh, that's cute.
Are you coming with me to get the bagels or no?
I thought I was going to Janine's.
Well, not right now.
There you go. I'll have a longer Janine's. Jamie, and this is for you.
Mommy, Band-Aids?
Band-Aids.
Is this real?
Jamie Ann,
Is this a real Band-Aid?
roll it.
What? Mommy,
Roll it.
Band-Aid.
Cool.
Whoa! The bee?
Yeah, Jamie, this is for you. There's goodies in there.
Whoa, Mommy, look at this.
Wow, that's a huge candy cane.
I got. Oh no, I got a coloring book. Crayons. I got Robin Hood. I can't believe.
Joe, I can't see anything that you're getting. What else did you get, Mike?
And my hockey stick.
Yeah?
This is my hockey stick.
Yeah? Mike, do you have to go to the bathroom?
No. Yeah.
Ow, ow, that's my feet.
Mommy, do you know what this is?
What?
His hands
A bug ball?
But where's my
That's
pool?
cool. I'm sure it's around somewhere, Mike. Look at what else you have in your stocking, okay? What'd you get, Joe?
I got something for the pool, Mommy.
Whoa.
He got me something for the pool. You want to see?
Amy Ann, wait, don't you want your stocking?
What happened to my other stocking?
So you only get one stocking.
I know, but what happened to my other one?
What did the fish get?
Yeah!
Got some more of that water clear.
No, that way! Yes! Score! A score for Michael. Get yours? Boy. Hey, Mom, here's yours over here.
It's mommy, baby.
In the snow. Nah.
Joe?
Hey, Boo, Mom, what are you doing?
Alright, I'm gonna go back to bed.
Yeah, right.
No?
Right. Here we go, pal.
He turned his
We got
going.
it now.
Oh, his girlfriend had the same problem.
Hi,
It's like-
Andrew.
It's that color now, but then when you get in your car, it looks brown, right?
We got it now.
This now was here. See, this was my message.
Hi, Kyle.
Hi there, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
That was posted in the list, but instead of going to the list,
Hello, Bob. You having fun?
sounds like
Was
the
Santa
Black
Claus good to
Stars
you?
are leading
Chris.
Very nice.
Good.
Find the
Good.
salt.
That's what I like to hear.
Boy, the horse escaped from a shipwreck. Right, and that's from Len
Oops.
XC1.
What do you want?
Hey.
What do you want?
Back up, Anthony, please.
Oh, Merry Christmas, camera.
Here's Mike. Oh. How's it going, Mike?
I think I've got it.
You want to fight? You want to fight?
Anthony's being a jokester, okay? What'd you get for Christmas?
Where's Justine?
Nothing?
Oh. Hi, Justine. Could you fix my camera?
Can I fix your camera?
I don't know how to set the date on here.
Ah.
And I'm reading the directions and it doesn't really tell you.
Okay, I have that kind of camera. Hold on. Thank you.
I
Am
had
I
it.
eating this the wrong end?
Dan, could you move the plate? Hi, John.
Say hi, John.
No, this is it's like we're talking. I know exactly what he was
Did you
doing.
eat it?
Showing people. Yeah, let me stop Merry
No?
Christmas.
Not hungry?
Oh, yeah.
Already ate?
I don't feed my children. Yep.
You got that other thing?
No. On this computer. Okay.
How's the food, Chris?
Computer really. Gino set and everything to
Get ya.
Shut that off.
I didn't get you yet.
Shut that off.
Andy, going for the food.
I get all red when I look at
Don't be shy.
have food here.
Oh, let's get a huge spread view. And my mother's messy kitchen. The Joe yells at me when we watch the tapes. I'm sorry, I thought you were my mother.
It's okay. He is your mother.
Kind of alike.
Around
Everything.
You want to say? You made sure I had no idea. Don't worry about it.
I don't think we need a spreader anymore.
By the way.
I put the other one away. Yeah. But I don't know if you want to keep that one out.
You have a thing for this? A box? You burnt that too? You burnt the box?
I only have one more vacation day left.
1996.
Say hi. Hi, Joe. Upstairs all day. Playing. Is your room? Yeah. Well, you better clean it up.
It's not the best, Mom.
It's not?
Will be everything pushed up to the side?
Oh, yeah. Say hi.
Really? Oh, take care of? Doing a video.
I got you on video too.
You can on that?
Yes.
Yeah.
But we didn't go, so don't say anything bad.
What's up, little guy? Come over here, let me wedge you.
Anthony! Anthony, come here for a
You
minute.
got your scooter?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me see your ride.
It's cute.
It looks like your mother.
How you doing?
Anthony, this is my friend Danny and cousin Junior.
Hi.
What are you eating?
It's cute, right? They don't look
What? What is that? They look just like me. I wish he wouldn't have taken the scooter out.
Is that it?
Yes, it is. Away from the path we just shoved, okay? Joe. The blizzard of '96. Just showing. And got Joe and Michael trying to sled.
Take a look
Cool. Michael, you gonna climb up there?
Yep.
Right.
We'll turn it and oh, no,
You were stuck
for good.
for good.
Yep. I just wanted everything.
Today is Tuesday. And the snowfall is from Sunday to Monday. Hey guys, you have to turn around to the camera.
Watch it up.
Hi Michael.
Hi. Watch it up.
Joe, where are you? go.
Hi.
How many inches, Levittown? 18, 19? Okay, we're going to say goodbye for now, and let's wait till you do sledding. Okay, here we go. Long lane. Wow, look at all that. New. Boy, oh boy. Wow. Oh, look at. Yeah. So that's how high the pile is. Just enough to knock its face.
Don't forget my Jeep.
Yeah, I wanted to get you. This is blizzard of 96 by 4. Well, except me, it still has work tomorrow. There's still time left to use it.
I want to get all the snow out.
Ooh, how nice.
I want to get all the ice out.
Look at all the snow. Let me go on the street. There any around view. I think I have to go sledding. Not so easy getting in the house. Woohoo! Up. There's Grandma. And warm house. Oh, where's Grandma? Oh, there she is. Oh. When tape.